Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup for y'all today, man. But before we get into this pickup, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, sneaker pickup, and review whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk y'all ears out, but shout out to my cousin, man. This is his merch. And big prayers to everybody up in Houston, man. You know, I don't want nobody going through stuff like that, man. I hope everything gets situated down there. And let's get straight to this review. As y'all know by the title, we have some Zoom joints in it. As y'all know, this is not the standard Nike box. This is all like, made out of recycled material and all that. That's why you have the brown box. Y'all look, it's a standard Jordan 1 box except for the color of the box. And the tag read Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort PSG. Retail price is $140. It looks kind of crazy. I don't know, it's blurry, but there you go right there. There you go. And if y'all don't know, all of these come like this. It comes with this little brown thing over it, and it comes in this little, all wrapped up individually in this little like wax paper. As you see, you have the QR code right there, or the QR little stamp. You have the little barcode joint right there, and simply what you do is you just take this off. It's not fully wrapped in it like that, and then there's a little wax paper. You just unravel the little wax paper, and what you have here is, wow, man, yes, you have the PSG Air Jordan 1s. In my opinion, this is the best PSG Air Jordan 1. Even though it's a Zoom Comfort, it's not like an OG high, but like this right here, these are fire in my opinion. Wish I could have got me a personal pair of these, man, but these joints is definitely fire in my opinion. The black ones that came out was okay, but these joints got a little bit more extra pop to it. So let's get straight into the review. Even though it's no leather, I'm still gonna take this little tissue paper out. I believe everything about these shoes is made out of recycled material, if I'm not mistaken. Like the whole entire shoe comes with two spare pair of laces. You have that pink, you have the purple, standard black in the inside of the shoe. Toe box, as you can see, it's not like a nubuck, it's not a suede either. I don't even know what this material is. It feels like a real low, rough nubuck, like got like the ashy feel to it. This right here is a nubuck right here, and it feels on the premium side right here. This feels very, very nice in my opinion. You know, I'm not like a material specialist, but this feels very nice, in my opinion. You have like an iridescent swoosh. So as you can see, as the light move on it, it got like a little shimmer. It changes color. Ooh, got like a little green, purple hints in there. I don't know how much is popping out on camera, but yes, it does. It is in there. You have that pink and purple wing logo with, like I said, this little nubuck. I'm calling it nubuck. It might not even be nubuck, but this definitely feels like premium. This feels premium. You have like this little, the wing logo can like open up like the rookie of the year joints. It do have like some little separation here, and it has like a 3-layer thing. As you can see, this is what a wing logo is. It has like a little, I don't even know, like 3 little collars. And this right here, where you see the exposed foam material, it has like purple foam. So nice little touch. You have like some black mesh in the inside of this collar right here. You have like white mesh with like some designs, pink and purple designs right here. The inside of it, I don't even think you can be able to see that, but Let me see, can I take this out?
A few moments later.
I can't take it out. But if you grab them in hand, it's like the same design that's on here is in the inside, and it says like I can't pronounce that, whatever, Paris. It says Paris in the inside with some other stuff in it. I can't pronounce it. I ain't gonna lie. Can't pronounce it. You have the Zoom Air on the tongue right here at the top of the tongue. You have the Zoom Air. Black sock liner. You have like some little cushioning, like ankle support right here. There's like some extra padding right there. Midsole of the shoe is not white. This is not a white midsole. This is more so of a sail. This is like a sail midsole, just like almost like a little lighter than these panels right here. You have sail panels right here as well. On the back you have that iridescent Paris logo with the Jumpman. It's a lot of merch in stores for these shoes. It's a bunch of merch like in Foot Locker and House of Hoops and stuff. It's a bunch of merch in the stores for these shoes. Like they got shirts, hoodies, pants. So if you into like, you know, fully dressing up the shoe, definitely go check out Foot Locker, House of Hoops and all that stuff. Got a lot of merch in there. Outsole the shoe, predominantly all purple. You do have this black outliner right here. This right here, I love the bottom of how they making the zooms now. Like I don't like the solid ones on zooms. I want these to stand out to let everybody know this is not like a regular Jordan 1. And this do not feel like a regular all rubber outsole. This actually feel like some type of foam material right here. I guess this is like where the Zoom cushion is at. This is my first pair of Zooms, so bear with me. So this is like, I'm guessing what the Zoom material is at, because it feels a lot better than a regular Jordan 1 would. So that's just my guess. I'm probably right, probably not, I don't know. But yeah, man, these right here is definitely fire, man. You have the Paris on the lace tips right here as well. You got Paris on the lace tips. These are definitely fire, man. Yeah, so let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section, man. Cop or drop, hot or shot, man. Comment that all down below. We can talk about it down in the comment section, man. Looking forward to y'all opinion about these joints. Do y'all like the Zoom Airs? How y'all feel about them? Yeah or no? How to shot, like I said. But no on feet because this is an 8 and I'm a 9. So I copped this for someone. So you know, it is what it is. Let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. We out this jam.